put you on the sidewalk. Use the sidewalk! Freaks.
Jonathan Scott here to tell you that American Family Insurance wants to protect your dreams. So whether you're at home singing in the shower, or prefer singing your heart out in the car like Drew,
Right.
You can save up to 23% when you bundle your...
Saw me in the parking lot and said, yeah, he's good to go. Right?
Sure.
Unless she later on says no.
You let people smoke marijuana. Huh?
Said they didn't want to stand in that line. Shit. They're too special for that.
Everybody's like, let's just all cross over the line now. What the hell?
What?
Why is this all backed up? Somebody just like stop or something?
Kind of. I didn't even get the price, so who cares?
I can't remember. Do I just keep on taking this to go down there, or do I have to turn here?
You can turn here. Unless, I wonder if going straight makes it faster to get there.
I'm not
In a hurry.
screwing up anybody else. And what is this person doing right in front of us?
There might be somebody in front of them.
There's not. See? What is with these people? It's 25. I think I'm gonna just like
If it can't take it, wouldn't it?
Is there a coin star at Pick and Save or something? Right across from Inclusion?
I've never used it, but I would think there would be.
That's what it's gonna do.
Could I look it up?
Yeah, look up coin star. I don't know why they have a fucking in the fucking road. Nice stop. Didn't even stop. Well, you know what? Pretty sure I'll just run it by my house.
Are you making it at my house? Or are you
It's
going
gonna be at your house.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to spend money on going out again. Look how close he is to that fucking truck.
It looked like the truck was towing him.
Jesus.
The short rope.
This guy like way above the line, in front of the line. Going 100 miles an hour, how can I not let him go? I couldn't do that. Where are all the cops today?
Weed while feeding your lawn for up to 4 months. That's genuine value from Blaine's Farm and Fleet. Centerpoint Yacht Services presents the Pontoon and Deck Boat Event of the Year. April 20th through 23rd at Centerpoint Pewaukee, and you won't believe the deals. Choose from over 10 different boat and motor brands, pontoons, tri-toons, deck boats, and luxury bow riders. Don't miss an exciting summer on the water with family and friends. The time to invest in summer fun is now. 4 days only, April 20th through 23rd. Centerpoint Pewaukee, Highway 16 and Capitol Drive. Online at centerpointservice.com.
Road safe or road legal or whatever, street legal. Like dirt bikes or something. See the bikes with no lights and back on the road.
Oh.